Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing the essentials and taking the first deliberate actions. Mount your camera on a sturdy tripod and attach a macro lens or extension tube so you have true 1:1 magnification. This gives you detail you can control. Once centering is done, set continuous LED lighting and add a diffuser to eliminate specular glare, because soft light reveals texture. Make sure to dial aperture to f/8f/16 and ISO to 100/400. This gives depth and low noise for focus stacking later. Now you refine composition and take control of focus. This is where detail comes alive. Switch to live view at 100% or enable focus peaking, and manually focus the exact plane you want sharp. Once done, either slide the camera on a focus rail or nudge the subject in tiny increments, making 1/3 to 1/2 step moves between frames. That spacing ensures reliable focus stacking. Make sure to use a remote release or timer to avoid vibration, and check exposure between brackets so highlights remain intact. Finish by capturing the stack and processing it into a single sharp image. Shoot a sequence of 10 to 100 frames depending on subject depth, keeping exposure and white balance constant. Consistency makes alignment easier. Once done, load files into focus stacking software, align and blend the sharp zones, then address small artifacts with masks or cloning. If you run into ghosting, reduce movement and reshoot, or use a lower blend strength. Finally, sharpen selectively, apply noise reduction, save a layered TIFF, and export compressed copies.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.